Hey, what's up guys? It's Charlie with CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. In this video, I want to tell you about these log holders. There's 4 different kinds and there's 4 different colors. They're all earth tone colors. They look fantastic. There's brown, black, tan, and my personal favorite, olive. It's pretty incredible the role that wood plays in camping or hunting, even fire pits in your backyard. It is like the catalyst to make incredible memories, to stay comfortable, to stay warm, to stay dry, to cooking good food, making memories, roasting marshmallows, and just enjoying your experience. So in this video, we're going to spend a few moments talking about the log carriers and how you can store and transport them in a really organized way. Let's start with this bag. Like I said before, it comes in 4 styles. This is the diamond bag, and it lays flat. So does the next one I'll show you. But let me show you what some of the subtle differences are. First of all, notice that you can put a whole bundle of wood in one of these. And my favorite thing about the diamond shape, it probably makes it my favorite of all 4 of these, is the duffel strap here. You can cinch it if you only need a little bit of wood because you're gonna just cook breakfast the next morning. You can just bring a little bit, but you can cram in twice as much and still use that strap and keep everything together, keep it nice and tight. And if you've got some wood that has a little bit of pine sap or is a little bit dirty, no problem. It's all in there. You're not gonna get it on you. So let me show you the next one. It's the rectangular one. And it fits even more. It does not have the duffel strap, but not having that duffel strap allows you to put more in. As I was demoing this, I was surprised that I could keep fitting more. In fact, it actually felt like it needed more to be at its best. And by the way, the wood that I'm using right here at this point in the demo is hardwood. And so even with this heavier wood, it still is an amount that's manageable. In fact, I even notice I still have room for more, so I shoved some more in. And then if we compare them side by side, you can see they both kind of have the same concept. The rectangular one holds a lot more, whereas the diamond one has a really good portion as well, but not quite as much. Before we move on to the next one, I want to point out those ones with the open ends are 18 inches, but you can fit longer wood. So if you're using 24-inch pieces, no problem. Now this is the boat shape, and it's 26 inches. 26 inches is the biggest of all of these. And in this one, I'm using lightwood that's chopped much smaller, and I'm putting it at a perpendicular in the bags just for demo purposes, just to be creative so you can get some ideas and see if it works for your application. So I put those ones in perpendicular, and then I put some kindling in the end. But you can put much bigger logs in there. I don't fill this one up to capacity. Not everybody fills theirs up to capacity. Sometimes you want to just grab enough wood for a fire pit for the backyard or a barbecue or whatever, and put it in the trunk of your car. One thing I think it's important to keep in mind is that these are pretty versatile. You don't have to use them just for wood. So the tote, I put in some of the common things that I bring with me camping, and you'll notice a lot of them even have handles on them, but they're generally things that I want to keep inside of my tent, and I want to just pick up one bag and take it all with me. And these have pockets as well. So let's find something common that we take to throw in there for illustration. Yep, sunscreen and bug spray. This tote version, by the way, is 23 inches. So here they are, all 4 options. Keep in mind, all of these come in all 4 colors. So if you want them to match your tent, your camping chairs, your gear, or you just have a preference, pick between any of those colors. If I were to choose, I think my personal favorite is the diamond shape one, the first one in the video. That one there, the brown one. But there is a big advantage to having that tan one, the rectangular one, if you need a lot of wood. And these are perfect if you need to store a certain type of wood for stoves. Stove wood is important. You want to make sure you have good, clean wood. Sometimes that's store-bought, sometimes you can find it out in the wild, but regardless, fires are important. Everybody seems to have a core memory camping that deals with fire, sitting around a fire pit and making some memories. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in this product, see this and other White Duck items at competitiveedgeproducts.com. And thanks for watching these videos. If you find them helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.